Let's make a sandwich. Brought to you by Seeds of Communication. Today we are making a turkey sandwich. First, let's wash our hands. Here are the things we will need. Let's get started. Place everything on the counter. Take out 2 slices of bread. Spread mayonnaise on 1 slice of bread. Next, add the lettuce and tomato. Put on the turkey, then sprinkle salt and pepper. Place the second slice of bread on top and don't forget your pickle. Grab your favorite chips and drink. Time to eat! See you next time! Like, share, and subscribe for more.